Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine stuck on drain cycle. Are you having trouble that your Bosch washing machine is stuck on drain cycle? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps. 1. Unbalanced load. An unbalanced or heavy load can cause the washer to get stuck on the rinse cycle. Try redistributing the laundry evenly in the drum to resolve this issue. 2. Water inlet valve or control board. If redistributing the load doesn't work, the problem might be with the water inlet valve or control board. Mineral buildup, wear and tear. An electrical issue can affect the water inlet valve, leading to the washer getting stuck on rinse cycle. Check the valve and replace it if necessary. 3. Pressure valve. A malfunctioning pressure switch can also cause the washer to get stuck rinse cycle. The pressure valve monitors the water level, and if it fails, the machine may not proceed to the next cycle. Test and replace the pressure valve if needed. 4. Timer issue. If none of the above steps work, a faulty timer could be the cause. The timer controls the washing machine cycle, and a malfunctioning timer can prevent the washing machine from advancing to the next stage. Consider replacing the timer to fix the issue. 5. Drain control problem. Issues with drain control mechanism can also lead to the washer stalling on the rinse cycle. Clean or replace the drain control components to ensure proper drainage. 6. Electrical problems. Electrical issues such as faulty wiring or power interruptions may disrupt the washer's cycle progression. Professional assistance might be needed to address this complex electrical problem. Even after doing all this, if you are still not able to find a solution for your problem, it's better that you book an appointment at Bosch customer service.